my name is Jen. If this is your first time to my channel, then welcome. I do various clothing unboxing videos. Most of them are subscription, surprise, I don't know what's in this box type video, but I do occasional shopping hauls as well. Some of the boxes are very well known, like Stitch Fix, ThredUp, things like that. Some of them are less well known, so I like to do a variety. If that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe below. Today I am doing a Urbane Box unboxing. This is my second one. I will link the first video below. If you don't know what Urbane Box is, it is a simple $60 a month to get 2 to 3 things in a box. It is yours to keep, so hopefully you like everything. Last month was my first box. I tried to send back 2 items and I thought it cost $15 to exchange them for something else, but I haven't heard back yet, so I might have just sent them back and that was it. I don't know, so I'll post something in the comments once I figure out the whole return process. But it sounds like you can exchange for different sizes, but they don't really let you return things. Again, I will let you know once I get that fully figured out. I also have a link to my previous video, which is interesting because I got a weird item in there and it's worth checking that out. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, my video camera just cut off me pulling out all the items, so I will do it again. Let's go ahead and get started. So in this box, it appears I have 2 clothing items. The first clothing item is this black and I guess pink flowers on it. It is a cold shoulder. I believe it is a dress. It is very spacious, as similarly as I got to my last Urbane Box, so hopefully I will not be swimming in this. The next clothing item that we have, this is a polyester top, and it is another cold shoulder top, and it is very wide again. So Urbane Box apparently just likes really wide clothing. It has spaghetti strap here that you can adjust, kind of a keyhole back, and we will give it a try. So far, I don't like either of these items, but maybe something will be amazing on me. We'll see. First up, we have this dress. This may be the least flattering dress of all time. There is so much extra space in here, and I just feel like a sack of potatoes. This is just not flattering for me at all. So let's go try the top now. This shirt is huge. It is, sorry, I've got just a regular bra on with it, but it is just so huge. I don't understand what is going on. I mean, these tags on these items say small, but they feel like they're an extra large. Just so huge. I'm so perplexed by these sizes. I don't know. Okay guys, I forgot to go over brands. So this polyester top is by Bishop & Young, and it is a small, and this dress is by French Connection and also a small. This will be my last Urbane Box. I will say they started out as a men's styling service and then they branched out into women's clothing. I have not worked directly with a stylist. It was a very small styling profile, so I have no idea how much stylists are involved in actually picking out these clothing items. I don't also know if they're aware of just how gigantic these clothing items are. I usually get an extra small, and these are small, but I don't know. I don't think that still accounts for just absolutely how huge they are on me. So I will be discontinuing my service. It is not worth $60 a month to get and keep clothing that does not fit. And since I haven't heard anything back about returns I tried to do on the previous box, I'm guessing these are mine to keep. So if anybody is interested in these, please subscribe to my channel and then send me an email, which I will have in the description box, and with your information, and I will give out these items for free because I am clearly not going to wear them. So hopefully somebody else will want it and it will fit them better. So thanks for watching my video. If you like it, hit a thumbs up button, and we will see you next time. Okay, thanks. Bye.